Most people are worried about their contact information that are visible to others on Facebook and they receive unwanted messages from unknown people. Today I will tell you how you can hide your contact details on Facebook. So let's begin. First of all, open your Facebook app and then click on this three-line option. Then click on this setting icon. Click on this account center. Here you find the option of account setting, where on a second number you are seeing the personal details. So click on that option of personal detail. I am concerned with my contact information, so I will simply click on my contact information. So here you can see my Gmail and phone number. So I will make them private one by one. Simply click on my Gmail. So here I am finding the option of who can see my Gmail, this option. So I will just simply click on it. So here I am seeing the option of visibility, and here and last I am saying change visibility on Facebook. So I simply click on that option. So here I am finding different options that who can see my Gmail. First of all, everyone can see, either my friends can see my Gmail or only me. So I want to hide my Gmail, my contact information from every person. So I will simply click on this only me option. So now no one will be able to see my Gmail on Facebook. So I will do the same with my phone number. So in this way I change the privacy of my contact information and I hide them from every other person. So thank you. If you have any other query or any other problem that you are facing, you can comment me, so I will make a video on your problem. I am always here to assist you to solve your problems. So thank you very much.